In this lesson, you will understand the lighting on and off of the lamp using the limit switch input and relay through the terminal block. Depending on the input of the limit switch, the relay can be powered on and the lamp can be controlled. Notice the simple sequence drawing on the right side of the screen. Also, please refer to the description of each instrument below the drawing. When the main power is turned on, the GL lamp lights up through the LS1 NC contact. When the LS1 limit switch is input, power is supplied to the relay below. In addition, the GL lamp goes out immediately, and the RL lamp turns on through the relay contact. For detailed electrical sequence wiring, you can obtain wiring information for each device through a video card or a description column. Now check the connection of each device and check the operation.
Input on, wiring breaker. Input on, LS. Input off, LS. 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 Input off, wiring breaker. Input on, wiring breaker. Input on, LS. Input off, LS. Input on, LS. Input off, LS. Input off, wiring breaker.
Thank you for watching. Check out the subscription and the like button. We will make more and more learning videos. Any other questions would be appreciated if you leave them in the comments below the video. We wish you a nice day.